Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today, we're going to continue with some nitpicky things, but I think we're going to run to the store first. So I'll bring y'all along with me. How about that? I think I just ran over my phone. I did. Shit. All right, off to the store we go. We're gonna see how well this works with the new rearview mirror here. It might mess with my focus. I hope not. For y'all's sake, I hope not. But let's go have some fun. See how well she does to the neighborhood before we decide to go to the store. Hey. Whoops, wrong one. I almost hit the handicap. No, I can't tell if I lined up or not. We'll find out in a second. I think we are. All right, we made a quick trip to our local store, got us some lights. Let's see if that's what this one takes. It doesn't go down in. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got it. Look at that. How about that? Something actually works on this car, like it's supposed to. And now for our, oops, it's foggy. Blurry, clear, whatever. And now for our next trick, we're going to remove the gauge cluster. All right, I moved out the center console, the gauge cluster. And what I want to do, I hope this works, is I want to replace these little bulbs that you can't see jack all with these LED ones. And since they're LED, I need gloves. At least one glove. Find the original, put that back in. All right, we got the speedometer cluster out. That was not fun. I ended up having to take part of the, well, not the steering wheel, but like the horn mechanism off so that the thing would telescope out. Anyway, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 light bulbs, and I have 5. I have 5 over here. So I don't have enough. I'll need to see if maybe one of the local stores has some, so I'll pay some extra money instead of going online and getting them. All right, here's a look in the dash. Here is our speedometer cable. The guy said he spun the speedometer, so I don't know if he meant that the cable itself broke or if the mechanism itself or the gauge broke. I'm assuming the gauge. I'm going to get some pliers and test that in a minute. It's nice and rusty back here like all C3s. This thing had this little light. If you can look, you can't even see in there. It's like this little itty bitty little pin lights that shine on something in there. I'm assuming the needle. Maybe it's a fiber optic kind of thing. That's too early for fiber optics. Who knows? But anyway, that's what it looks like. There's that cavity. There's that cavity. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. What is this? The reason the horn doesn't work is because right there is the little pin that's supposed to go in there to make the horn work. So we'll be able to fix that at least. Okay, I've just placed them in here and plugged them back up because we're going to test the lights to see how well they do. Okay, we'll start with this one because I cannot see this one at nighttime. Oh, look at that. It has lights and they're blue. It's not what I was going for. But guess what? I'll be able to see them now. Blue or not. At least they're on. Now, only half the steering wheel, or half of them are on this one because there were so many back here I didn't have enough. I told you that before. So this side right now does not work. Now, I'm not going to put this back together this video. Okay, I just want to show y'all that at least I got that done. In my boxes of other Corvette parts, I have another speedometer, I believe, if I remember correctly. So I've got to go find it, and then I'll put that one in and see if it works. Okay? But that'll be for next video. Alright, today's video and most of last week's videos have been a little short and off the wall because I've been busy. Let me show you what I've been doing. Been a little busy decorating. A little bit of everything. I don't believe how long it takes to put lights out if you're going to do them properly. You can barely see the lasers on the house. And then hold on. Here's the last part. It's the Candy Cane Trail. And so that's what I've been doing, mostly. All right, whatever garage, out.